students, we can have an activity now regarding robotics. I'll ask certain questions. If you person agree the questions, you can stand up. If you disagree, you can sit. But you have to give the explanation why you are agreeing and why you are disagreeing. Okay? Can we start this? Okay. The first question is, robots can perform surgery more accurately than surgeons. Robots can perform surgery more accurately than surgeons.
I agree this statement.
Okay.
Because robots like Da Vinci surgical system offer sub-millimeter precision and eliminate hand tremors.
Okay, good. You four people agree this question. Good. Okay, others disagree this question. Okay, fine. We'll go for the next question. Robotic surgery is completely safe and error-free. Robotic surgery is completely safe and error-free.
I would answer this first statement. So it is disagreement because normally robotic system is highly accurate, but still highly accurate it be prone like technical errors and in software issues, and also like it is fully dependent on the human input. So it will obviously it may come the errors. So errors like program calculations or else like calibrations of so error may occur.
Okay, good. The next questions. Automation in hospitals can reduce the workload of medical staffs. Automation in hospitals can reduce the workload of medical staffs. You all are agreeing. Okay, fine.
Because the automation tools like AI-based triage and automated disappears and surgical robots reduce repetitive tasks like that.
Okay, good. The next question is, robots can replace human empathy in patient care. Robots can replace human empathy in patient care. Who is going to agree and who is going to disagree? You are going to agree.
I'm going to disagree with this statement.
Okay.
Because when robots are mostly helpful in physical activity, but when it comes to the topic of empathy, emotional support, and kind of communication, the human basic thing, those are the human's basic things. So it is essential human basic things.
Good. Hope you got the answer. Good stuff. The next question is, robots are only useful in surgery, not in diagnosis or rehabilitation. Robots only used in surgery, not in diagnosis or rehabilitation.
No, I disagree with this statement because robots are used in diagnosis, for example, AF or MRI scans, and rehabilitation we use robotic exoskeletons, so showing their variety of applications.
Okay, good. We'll go for the next question. AI can diagnose diseases faster than the doctors. AI can diagnose the diseases faster than the doctors. Who is going to agree with this?
I will agree because AI has the capability to analyze thousands of images together, and it is also able to give a very conclusive outcome. And it can, like a doctor just cannot scan and he can't give the output in like 5 minutes, but an AI model is able to do that. But it is important to have an actual doctor check with the AI's results.
Good. Even though AI is very accurate, we have to have a doctor consultation also. Fine. Next question is, using robots in medicine increases the risk of unemployment among healthcare workers. Using robots in medicine increases the risk of unemployment among healthcare workers. Is that right? Is that right or wrong?
I will disagree with this question, ma'am.
Okay.
Because automation only changes the roles and workers things all. But robotics doesn't changes the role of persons or anyone workers. Healthcare workers only replaces healthcare workers are more major important in the healthcare department. Because they have to make decision making and they have to consult the patients whether they are agreeing with this technology or whether or not. So automation only changes. Robotics doesn't change the role in healthcare workers.
Okay, good. Automation helps reduce medical errors in hospitals. Automation helps reduce medical errors in hospitals. Who is going to agree? Yes.
So I agree with this because human makes error more than robots.
Okay.
So if you use robot, the error will be reduced.
Okay, good. Thank you. We all have had a nice discussion activity regarding the robots. What are they going to perform?